Yo, what's good, everyone? This is C Hendo back once again. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm doing a quick unboxing real quick of the Jackie Robinson King Griffey Max 1. Shout out and rest in peace to the legendary Jackie Robinson. Thank you for what you have done for one of my favorite sports and what you did for my culture and my race. You will forever be in our hearts, and thank you. So let's get to this unboxing and we're out. All right, everyone, this is the Griffey Max 1 unboxing, of course, the Jackie Robinson edition. And we're gonna look at this box real quick. Comes in your standard orange Nike box, your Air Max box, or whatever you wanna call it. Nothing special about the box. I do know there were some that did come with like a special boxing, but those are for the special people. I am not one of those, unfortunately, but one day we'll get there. But let's look at this box real quick in the details. So we got Air Griffey Max 1, black, white, and blanc or noir, I don't know how to pronounce that. Retail price at $170, and that's not including tax, depending on where you at. So we got the box, nothing else special about the box. Let's get to the shoe. Of course, white paper, nothing special. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh my God, these are beautiful. Let me get both of them out real quick before we go crazy. And I'll move this box out the way. So here it is, everybody. The Griffey 1, Jackie Robinson. These look beautiful. So let's look at the shoe real quick. Let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see. As you see, they got a set of 24 on that strap. They got 42 to represent Jackie Robinson, as we know, the legend himself. And there's some little cool things about this shoe. They got some quotes on it. Let's look at this real quick and see what this says. Of course, you see that Swingman logo, and it says, "There's not an American in this country free until every one of us is free." That is dope. Dope quote. All right. And then on the inside of the strap, we got his accolades: 6-time All-Star, 1949 NL MVP, Hall of Fame in 1962, and Rookie of the Year in 1947. So that is on the strap of the shoe. I don't know if there's anything, not just Velcro, but this is a nice shoe. Nice detail on the shoe, man. I like this, as you guys see. Pretty good leather quality. I love the white laces. I may do black laces in mine. We'll see how it goes, but as I'm a huge baseball fan, and you gotta have this shoe if you're a baseball fan. As you see, you got that swoosh on the back. Very nice shoe. Let's see if there's anything else on the, okay, so on the left shoe, I'm sorry, the right shoe, this is the right shoe. Of course, you got 42 on there, but let's see what it says on the strap, because it has a quote on this strap too. And it says, "A life is not important except in the impact it has on other lives." Man, that is truly inspirational. Jackie Robinson, definitely an inspiration for all of us. And of course, on this side, 311 batting average. Let's see, sort of hard to read this. 947 runs. Got his stolen bases on there, his doubles, and it looks like triples. So it has all his stats on there. And his total hits it looks like in there. RBIs, like I said, and home runs, of course. So it has all his stats on there. This is dope, man. Let me see if there's anything noticeable inside the shoe. It does have a 2 inside, so you guys probably won't be able to see it. I do apologize. But other than that, this is a great shoe, man. The detail on it is really good. Yeah, I like these, man. These are special. Definitely get you a pair if you can. I hope the resales don't go crazy on this for true baseball fans. But I will rate the quality on this out of 5 stars. I'll give it a 3.5, 4 out of 5. I think the theme, of course, is a 5. Being a huge baseball fan, this shoe means a lot to me. Obviously, Griffey is one of the greatest players of my generation, but Jackie Robinson is the pillar to the game that, you know, I wouldn't be here without Jackie Robinson, right? Jackie Robinson did take that leap, so this is a amazing shoe. Like I said, that 42 means a lot. You know, they have Jackie Robinson Day on April 15th every year in baseball. As a matter of fact, I got to give a huge shout out to Rostaclot. Rostaclot actually sent me this Jackie Robinson bracelet that they have, and I wore this on Jackie Robinson Day. But yeah, this is a dope bracelet as well. So one time for roster class. So yeah, there you have it. The Griffey 1 Max or 1 Max or Max 1 Griffey, Air Griffey, whatever you want to call it. Jackie Robinson. This is a dope shoe. I just hope that everyone that truly wants this shoe gets this shoe. But yeah, definitely be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this shoe if you were able to cop. Hopefully on StockX and different other companies, this shoe is not hitting for too much. But other than that, I appreciate all my loyal fans and listeners for definitely tuning in, and more to come. And we're out.